Hi everyone. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Kakob. I'm with my girl. Hey, say what's up. Say what's up. What's up, eh? What's up, eh? Yun, guys. She don't wanna be involved in this fucking vlog. So, we're just walking for about 2 kilometers. From here to there. Yeah, 2 kilometers ang hike naman. Pakadto sa destination. So this is actually a hidden gym. Hidden gym. Ano na siya guys, secret. Ano siya nga place dire. Like gamay lang nakabalo. And it's actually quite good. Pagpunta dito daw paradise. Yeah. So let's talk. Doon na kamo sa journey yun eh. So for now, matabok ko sa pack. Hidden gym. Ano ito ma-workout? Everywhere guys, this is the first course nga ating katahakin. Wow! So, tabok na din sa pa guys. And we have some people here. Say hi to my vlog! Hello! Good morning! So, masaka kami guys. So this is actually a rough terrain. So if you're not sanay sa mga maninga terrain, need some guide here. So since we're locals here, okay lang sa amon. Charot lang, di kami taga-diri. So it'll take about 15 minutes to hike. And I'm already catching my breath. So I'm gonna turn the camera off for a bit and see you later.
5 minutes later.
So guys, we're walking for about 5 minutes na. And actually along the way, pakadto sa falls. Ay magyan man tanga. Resort. Ano yung name sa resort na yan? Okay, ambot lang ang name. So ano siya, swimming pool with huts. That's the resort there. May mga tao man. Pero like, gamay lang yun ang nag-visit there since it's a remote area. And hindi pa siya accessible sa mga salakyan. Hindi kasi doon. Vamos! We're walking for at least 10 minutes now and we're almost there. Amazed no, like every day in our lives, yeah, every day in our lives we're just trying to deal with problems, but then it is so nice to escape even for a moment and immerse yourself sa nature because she's right here, just not thinking of anything but just enjoying the moment, like here, the present. It is a good escape, right? So finally we're here. Oh, may natao, galigo. So guys, we end up going back sa resort na lang since damo sa tao nga nagapaligo, and also though dry kayo ang place. Kay wala nagulan for almost 2 days. So gamay ang tubig and yeah, damo tao. So I think it wraps it up. See you in our next vlog. Bye guys.